Hello, kids! Welcome to Kids School Art. Today, we are drawing a toy car. Let's draw together. First, we are drawing upper part of our toy car.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Now, we are drawing a boy. He is driving the car.
Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X.
Now, we are drawing a girl. She is sitting on back seat of the car.
Know your ABC. Next, I want you sing with me. A, B, C, D,
Look, our toy car looking awesome.
H, I, J, K,
Do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, we are drawing wheels of the car. Our car is going to be very colorful.
Next, I want you sing with.
Let's do coloring. Orange. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Red. Green. Pink. Green. Red. Blue. Yellow. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care.